The biggest thief to your creativity is editing. You can think of ideas, write scripts, and even shoot the videos, but editing is where all the energy, time, and most of your money goes. And the worst part is, sometimes you give 10+ hours into editing and the video still fails to impress the audience. In the next 30 seconds, I'm going to give you a solution to this problem that actually works. You know, most creators quit not because they lack ideas, but because editing kills momentum. And if you think of outsourcing it, it kills your wallet too. But this one tool helps creators like you. Superclips AI. Instead of manually editing videos from scratch, Superclips AI uses artificial intelligence to automatically turn long videos into short, high-impact clips. The focus shifts from editing to creating more content faster without burnout. You stay creative, and AI handles the heavy lifting. You upload a long video like a podcast, YouTube video, webinar, or recording. The AI scans the video to find engaging moments, hooks, and highlights, and then it automatically creates short-form clips with captions, formatting, and pacing optimized for social media. You go from one video, multiple clips in minutes, or you just type in the kind of video you want to create, approve the idea AI generates, and voila, go viral with read-to-publish videos. Superclips AI is a blessing if you're a YouTuber or podcaster, a coach or content creator, an affiliate or marketer using short-form content, or someone who hates editing but knows content matters. If consistency is your bottleneck, this removes it. Superclips AI is cloud-based and beginner-friendly. You get instant access after purchase, and the bundle pricing is far cheaper than hiring editors or spending hours inside editing software. It is priced at $318 of one-time payment with lifetime access. Superclips AI bundle offers crazy value with Pro Designer all-in-one design creation platform, Web Framer, design, build, and launch websites without limits, Flow Motion, animate anything effortlessly, Magic Stocks, your complete stock media library, and a lot more in the bundle deal. It also comes with 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it without pressure and see if it fits your workflow. If editing is slowing you down, draining your creativity, or stopping you from posting consistently, Superclips AI is worth checking out. Check the link in the description to buy today to get a New Year discount of $50. See you in another one.